In today's video, I am going to teach you how to generate a random list of names based on set list of names in Google Sheets SL. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You should already have a set list of names entered in a single column. In this example, the names are stored in column A, starting at row 2 and going down to row 11. Keeping your source list in one clean column like this helps the formula work smoothly, and it also makes it easy to expand later if you add more names. Next, click on the empty cell where you want your randomized list to appear. This is important because the formula you are about to enter will automatically spill results into multiple cells below, so make sure you choose a spot with enough blank rows underneath it. Now, click into the formula bar by typing the equal sign. The equal sign tells Sheets you are entering a function instead of plain text. After that, paste or type this full formula exactly as shown. Index unique sort $, $2, $, $11. Rand array count $, $2, $11. True. Sequence 10. Let me briefly explain what this is doing so you understand why it works. The rand array and count pieces create a random set of numbers based on how many names you have, so the list can be shuffled. Sort uses those random numbers to reorder your original names into a random sequence. Unique removes duplicates, which is helpful if your original list accidentally contains the same name more than once. Index combined with sequence returns a set number of results, in this case 10 names, and spills them into a vertical list. Once you have entered the formula, confirm it to generate the randomized output. You should see the names automatically fill down the cells beneath your starting cell. Finally, click back into the results area to review the generated list. Each time the sheet recalculates, the order can change, so if you want to keep a specific random result, you can copy the output and paste it as values in another location. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.